Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Nisi, the beauty icon. So I'm so happy to be on here today. I want to show you guys some of the units that I got. Just briefly, I want to do a quick video of these units. These units, I don't know if you guys are new to the channel or you already know about the channel, but to the ones who are new, God had gave me the ideal to create these units on behalf of people who have thinning hair issues. So these units are lightweight. This one in particular is one of my favorites. And it's the half bob unit. I wanted to show you guys what it looks like on the inside as well as the outside. So they're undetectable. You can put it on your head and they snap in. So I'm gonna unsnap them first because it doesn't make no sense to put them on and they're not open to snap. So I'm gonna install this one really quick so I can show you guys briefly what it looks like. And I'm just gonna take this unit and tuck it in. No braids needed. If you have thinning hair and you're worried about not having enough hair for these things to clip on, don't you worry anymore because it's nice and secure on my flat gelled hair. And yeah, my hair is white up under here, but you still get an idea of what it looks like wholeheartedly. So I'm gonna turn and show you guys. And if your hair was dark, you know, it'll blend in, of course. But being that mine is white, it's visible, but they're undetectable units. So I want you guys to really get a look, a feel. You don't have to worry about this hair flying off your head. Because I mean, it's in there, y'all. I'm pulling on my hair. Trying not to pull it because I'm tender-headed. This really hurts, but it's in there. So if you're thinking about what options you have and your hair is thinning and you really want to try a variety of styles, these are the thing for you. So go ahead and look at my site at www.Chambulet Hair Studios with an S, and you can see the variety that I have. I'm gonna step back a little bit so you guys can get an idea of what this looks like. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love the way it feels, the way it flows. And this particular unit, you can custom color it. You can darken it if you want to. You can cut it shorter if you like shorter length hair. I like the way that falls behind the ear. I love this right here. But yes, this is one of my faves. And I wanted to share this with you guys. So I'm going to show you another unit that I have as well. So you can kind of get a definite of what these units look like and feel like. So here's another one of my units. This is the 613 and 27 mix. This is called the Joyce unit. I think the first one I forgot to tell you guys, that was the Sweet Harmony half bob top unit. So if you're looking for the one that I did beforehand, that was the Sweet Harmony. This is the Joyce unit. It's a full bang unit. Very lightweight. Let me show you guys the inside because everybody keeps asking what the inside look like. What the inside look like. This is what the inside looks like. So I'm going to put it on and show you guys. Let's see if I can hurry up and snap it. Let's see. Snap, snap. It's 4 snaps on. So you got your side snaps. You got your front and your back snaps on here. Hopefully I got it on right. So this one is, I love this. This is so cute. And like I say, guys, it's so fluffy. You don't have to worry about. Now, y'all don't mind my hair in the back. I'm supposed to be coloring this little part over here, so it's not blending well. But look at the unit. Get an overall look at the unit. See? And I just like the fullness of these bangs. I love the way that they kind of feel. They're not thick on your forehead, because I'm a heavy sweater. I don't like a lot of hair on my forehead. So I say they're not as thick as they look up here. It's nice and fluffy. Give you that dimension of the fullness. If you're an old school girl, Mary J. Blige, T-Boss feel, the one. This is the one that got me sold. So I'm gonna step back so you guys can look at it. I love it. I love it, 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 love it. So you guys be the judge. If this is not your color, of course we can do it darker. Whatever color you want, I got you. You just let me know what it is that you want. You know, because these units are made to order. We don't keep them on stock. We make them as their orders come in. So you guys, when you place your order, I'm going to send you an email to measure your head. There's a video link to that email. The email thoroughly explains to you every measurement that is needed for your unit. So pay attention to the video. Pay attention to the measurements. Make sure that you get your measurements down. I'm telling you, I'm walking you through it step by step. So don't worry, I got you. So again, this is the Joyce unit. If you want this one, it is up for grabs. So we got easy on, easy off, 4 snaps, 1, 2, 3, 4, and guess what? There it goes. Here's one of the Pixie units. One of my ladies ordered the gray and 1B mix. You see this unit? Again, it's light on the inside. And so 4 snaps come on this unit as well. So we're gonna go in and place it like so. So there you have it. Ain't that pretty, y'all? That is so pretty. I love it. I love it. Nah, I don't mind wearing gray. I don't. I love gray. I think, can y'all see that in the back? I'm trying to cover my nails and my hair right now because it look rough. So there it goes. What do y'all think? For you gray-haired ladies, we can do gray by itself. We can do gray mixed in with the black, the 1B, or we can do more gray than black. However you want it, we got you. We got you. So needless to say, these are the 3 units that I have for you guys to model today. Again, the website is www.chambulethairstudios with the S. If you're interested, you know, email me. You have everything in the description box that push you in my direction. You can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, whatever. Google, we're on Google. So let me know what you guys need. I got you. Again, like I said, God had gave me this idea for women with thinner hair, and not only those women, I too have very, very, very fine hair. All that glue, all that pulling, all that tugging on your hair, it does wear your hair down. So I still got a full head of hair, and I'm able to do all kinds of styles on my fine hair. So guys, don't you worry. Don't you worry. There are so many options out here right now. So all I need you to do is take a chance, take an opportunity, and don't miss out. You guys, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. You be blessed, and I'll see you next video.